Ahead of the suspension of mining activity, Deputy Speaker of Goa Michael Lobo apprehends chaotic situation in the state. Addressing media persons in Panjim on Friday, Lobo said that politicians across the party lines in the state and centre should hold a meeting and clarify their stand to Goan mining dependence.
On mining ban, that is from 15th of this month, March, midnight, where the state government has already geared up and sent various letters to the mining companies that mines will be should be totally shut down and sealed. I strongly feel that all party, that is political parties which are there in Goa and in this government, should sit together and come out with a proposal which should be given to the three council of ministers which is formed by the chief minister, and thereafter a cabinet decision has to be taken, and the party, that is BJP party, which is ruling at the center, should be immediately informed and called to Goa, and a meeting to be held should be held with all the coalition partners along with their party presidents and secretaries and the ministers and MLAs to come out with a solution, that is after 15th, what are we going to do about all the people who will be affected by this mining ban directly and indirectly. What would be the number of people who will be affected, and what is the plan of action? And center and state should make it very clear, that is our government should make it very clear to the people of Goa who will be unemployed. Mining jenna bond zatele, जितके लोग unemployed zatele, whether they are truck owners, truck cylinders, drivers, whoever they are, chai walas, जेवण supply कोत्ता आनी कितें कोत्ता, allied activities in mining जे effect जातले तेंकां म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी आमी स्ट्रेट सांगपाची गरज आहा, आनी ते खातीर सेंटराचो जो गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करतना कांय लिडर्स येयल्ले आमच्या गोंयांत, नितीनजी गडकरी येयल्लो, मागीर आमचो पार्टी प्रेसिडेंटूय येयल्लो. क्लियरिटी येवपाक जाय, एंड द कोलिशन पार्टनर्स जे आमच्या सरकारान आहा तेंकांय कळपाक जाय की फुडें कितें आसतलें पळय. आयज क्लियरिटी ना. चीफ मिनिस्टर इज अनवेल एंड ही इज इन US. सो आयज कोणाक मायनींग बेल्ट म्हाका लागना, बट एज अ कन्सर्न्ड सिटीजन ऑफ गोवा एंड अ लेजिस्लेटर ऑफ द स्टेट, इट इज आवर ड्युटी दॅट म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी लायन ऑफ एक्शन जावपाक जाय. फुडें कितें जावपाचें आहा तें कळपाक जाय, आनी हे कितलो तेंप पासून ही एक्टिविटी बंद आसतली, कितलो तेंप पासून तुमी कितें फुडें प्लॅन आहा. जी सुप्रीम कोर्टाची ऑर्डर येयल्या तेजेर वेदर एडवोकेट जनरल हॅज गिवन अ ओपिनियन ऑर नॉट, वेदर वी आर गोइंग टू गो इन अ रिव्यू पिटिशन ऑर नॉट, or what we are going to do. I think the people in this mining belt require an answer for this, and it should be given immediately, and all party coalition members should sit and discuss this and come out with solution. जेन्ना गव्हर्मेंट फॉर्म करताले तेन्ना दिल्लीसून गोंयां येयले, आमचे BJPचे लिडर दिल्लीसून गोंयां येयले. हांव मागता की ऑल पार्टी कोलिशन आमचे जे मेंबर्स आहा, पार्टीचे लिडर आहा, पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट, जनरल सेक्रेटरी, हेणी सगळ्यांनी बसपाचें आनी तेणी हेचेर भासाभास करपाची गरज आहा. 15 तारखे उपरांत तो पॅनीक बटन जातलो न्हू. सगळे जाणांक जॉब आसचे ना. ना बसाबास कर चीफ मिनिस्टर ना न्हू आमचो. सो आतां जे चीफ मिनिस्टरान अपॉयंट केल्या 3 ministers in the cabinet who will take a decision, but before they take a decision, the all party members should sit and take a decision and tell them, take a cabinet, inform the CM also about this, and they should call our party leaders to Goa and tell the first hand information what is going to happen, what will be the problem of the economy. जे डायरेक्ट रेवेन्यू गव्हर्मेंट ट्रेजरीन येताले पयशे, द मनी विच कम्स इन द स्टेट ट्रेजरी एंड विच गोज फॉर सॅलरीज एंड ऑल्सो फॉर डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा, what will be the effect and how long this will take. See, mining ban 2012 जे बंद जाले तेका 2-2.5 वर्सां लागली परतून स्टार्ट जावपाक. हे आतां बॅन जाल्ले आहा तेका खूब प्रोसेस आहा. एज फार एज I was talking to some people who have full knowledge of this, I was talking to some lawyers also who have knowledge of this. It is a long process. So how can the state government, finally people will look at the government of the day, and the government is at center, because environmental clearance is given by Ministry of Environment and Forest. So we have to look at both the governments, government in Goa and government at the center. So let the government from the center come here, a representative of the government of Goa at the center come here and address the coalition government. What is the line of action? This is what I demand. Somebody has to bail the cat. Earlier Manohar Parrikar was there. So now, he was there. Now he is in the hospital. He must be phoning the center from there or whatever it is. We want him to do that. We want him to come back. There is no doubt about it. But what I am saying is, this thing has to happen immediately. Because after 15th, if people do not know what is happening, there will be chaos. We do not want chaos to happen. Because Goa is a state which depends on 2 things. One is mining, the second is tourism. If anything happens, any untoward incidents happen, if there is a major strike or anything like that, I'm just saying, foreseeing, if nobody talks, somebody has to talk. Now, one minister cannot talk. It has to be a collective decision of the government. So far this decision is not come. So this is why I am concerned. This is why I have also spoken to the Goa Forward Party leader today that this should happen. I have also spoken to my party today that this should be done. All the party heads and the MLAs and the ministers should sit first and discuss which is the next line of action we should take when the mining ban will start on 15th. Because people will ask, what about my stomach? Because there are people who are living on that money only. So there are a lot of people. Direct and indirect employment will be around a lakh of people. Direct and indirect. Direct working for the mining company, and indirect are all these people who are related after that. There are so many of them. Right from there till MPT. MPT gives salaries to the people. I think most of the money also comes from the mining companies who pays them to load and unload, which they only do, but their space is being used. I cannot see right now any process being started. For that everybody has to sit together. It's not like single-handed, like BJP government ruling this state. It is BJP, it is Goa Forward, it is MGP, it is independents. So all these people have to sit together and decide, because the center has already come out with the act, that is auction. Right now the mining leases were on, which is suspended by the Supreme Court. So whether Advocate General advice is taken or not, I have heard that the file is gone. I was also following it up. So that advice is required, and also another advice can be taken, which way to go. But there has to be a solution coming to this problem.
Who do you expect to come from the central government?
See, earlier Nitinji Gadkari had come. I demand that the Mines Minister of India should come to Goa along with Nitin Gadkari, because he is a person who is mediating from the center and the state always. So Nitin Gadkari along with Mines Minister should come to Goa and address the coalition partners and give us the way out to this problem. No, he was not there. He was not in Delhi. Mines Minister was out of station. He was on leave practically. So he has joined on yesterday. So I feel that he should come to Goa instead of a delegation going over there without a cabinet note, without a resolution from the assembly. See, we are also wrong. The delegation which went over there is without any cabinet decision, without any resolution from the legislative assembly. Discussion was held in the legislative assembly on calling attention. Even I spoke over there on calling attention. But a resolution is required. All party meetings should be held first by the coalition partners, and there has to be a good decision coming out from these coalition partners, which has to be communicated to these three ministers who are appointed by the chief minister, and a cabinet followed by that, and immediate discussion with chief minister on Skype or telephone. I feel that till 15th we have time, and for that whatever needs to be done will be done by Bharatiya Janata Party, who is the main, who is over here also and at the center also. We are ruling the state along with the coalition partners. In Delhi we are there in absolute majority, and solution needs to come to this problem. And this has to, the work on this has to start right now on war footing. Whatever they decide should be incorporated in the cabinet meeting. Decision has to be taken there, and that has to be sent immediately by fax or mail to the center. And BJP from Goa has to communicate to the center to send immediately the Mines Minister along with to come out with a solution. We require solution. People of Goa are looking out for a solution today. What will happen after 15th? Government treasury जातलो आणि लोकांचे घराण्यान प्रॉब्लेम जातले. जो कोण एवरीडे पैसे जोडटा थिंगा बसून ऑन डेली बेसीस तेका त्रास जातले. सो हे इकॉनॉमिक प्रॉब्लेम क्रायसिस जातले गोंयांत. प्रत्यक्षान जेन्ना घरान कोणाक त्रास जाता जेवपाक तेन्ना कोण येता, आनी सरकारान पयलेच हेचेर म्हाका दिसता बसून विचार करपाची गरज आहा आनी सोल्युशनूय हाडपाची गरज आहा. बिकॉज बोथ द थिंग्स आर विथ अस. कोर्टान आदेश दिला पूण सोल्युशन गव्हर्मेंटान हाडपाक जाय. बिकॉज पीपल आर वेटिंग फॉर द गव्हर्मेंट टू ब्रिंग अ सोल्युशन.